Okay guys, so for a year ago, I have done my school supplies, review my school supplies, and I'm going to do a part 2, and it's called the K12 school! Yay! So we're going to start with this box. Yeah! I don't know. Okay, now it's nothing. Just kidding. It's a big, huge box. So right here we have this little thing here, and this is called, we have a book that's called The Arizona Story. Basically how Arizona started, I think so. A few pages, you see, look. This is a huge book. See how Arizona started. See? Then we're gonna put that up here, and then right here. Now right here, yep. And then right here we have things. We have I think blocks. I think so. Okay. Oh wait, no.
Molding clay?
Oh, these are crayons.
Molding clay.
These are molding clay. I can't wait to try these in my school. I like the blue one. My favorite one is the blue. Of course, blue. And then, what else we have? Okay, what else we have? We also have our science book. A science student guide. Science. And then we have another one of these. What are these? Oh. What is this? It says something about a compass. Wait a minute. It's a compass. Look, we got a compass. That's cool. So we'll keep that. We got a And then this side. We got thousands of books in here. Okay, guys, we have so many books. Whatever kind of books we are. Boxes. Probably books. I can't get this out. Right here, what we have right here is an Arizona book, I think. Something. Oh, it's Arizona stories. Things about Arizona, because we live in Arizona. Okay, these are all the things we have. So this one is the Arizona story. The Arizona story. What happened to Arizona in the past. Okay, what we have here. So these are the options. We have how to artist see family, how to artist see work, or plastic kit grade 3. And then right here is full of books right here. This one's called How Artists See Family. It's a very cool book. We'll put that here. And then right here we have How Artists See Work. And then we have blank paper. Random paper. We don't know what that is. And the
That is the art paper.
And right here, this is the Art 3 student pages. Right here is art. And it has the clay, because we have the clay already. So right here we got clay, paint brushes, paint. Move this way. And then we also have a big, huge one. Turn this over. Yeah, there you go. So right here we have books. We have K12 thing, blah, 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 blah. And then right here, yeah, books. We have this. And right here we have number 1 New York. This is Hitman. And right here we have Michelle Obama, First Lady. Michelle Obama, First Lady thing. Something about Obama. And then right here we have courses about Simon.
Curious about snow?
Oh, curious about snow. I thought it was Simon. Oh, it says bear and wolf. Right here we have. Oh, right here we have tea and milk. Tea and milk.
Tea with milk?
Tea with milk. Grandfather's journey. This is cool. And then right here we have. Oh, spoilers. Spoilers. Right here we have the world. And then right here we have.
The sign partner?
Right here we have handwriting. Right here we have K12 world. Oh, sorry. K12 world. The glory of the green. The grass. Grace. Snowflake. Smells snow. Ooh, we have. Don't know what this is. Expedition, and ready. Right here we have English arts. Right here we have a giant book. This is called English language arts. Move this aside. And then let's. Right here we have a thing. Math. More books. Right here we have blocks. This is our blocks for our math. And then we also got shapes. This one's open. I don't know why. What's in here? Oh, this is what do you call it? Your counting blocks. Don't know why that's open. So right here we have. Don't understand what this book is. Oh, ones. Hundreds. Oh wait, hundreds. There's also a book that fell down here. It's called. It's upside down. It's called math. Right here we have. Right here we have math. Right here. This is the last one. It is high. It's high weight. I don't know why. Wrong way. Right here we have. What's this actually? Oh my god, it's a monitor! What is this? It's bubble wraps. I knew that. Our book.
This is your keeper kit for science.
It's in here. Oh, magnifying glass! We got a magnifying glass. Things close. We got our science. Whoa! What is this? I don't understand what this is. Okay. So this is all of our school supplies from K12. This is our 3rd grade. We got materials, we got the little thing, the temperature thermometer, we got the little magnifying glass, this, books, and goggles, and then I don't know what that is. And then yeah, we also got our hundreds thing. We got our shapes blocks right here. And yeah, that just includes of all this. That's all. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.